welcome to Tanu Hair and Craft. Here we teach on how to make wigs, trendy hairstyles and other crafts. If you are joining us for the first time, you are welcome, and if you've been here before, you are also welcome. Please do subscribe, like and share this video to support us, and do not forget to put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. And please, to support us, do subscribe, like and share this video, and you can also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Thank you. Please do sit back, relax and enjoy the class. What I actually did was to section the hair into 3 parts. The two extreme sides are smaller, which is going to be used for Ghana weaving, while the middle is big, which is going to be used for the Didi Adimole. Sit down, relax and watch how this fishbone hairstyle is made. If you really want to know how the middle one, the Didi and Adimole, is made, you can check down. I did a video previously on how to make Didi hairstyle. After doing the Didi, now we go to the other side to start the weaving, the Ghana weaving. And this Ghana weaving is not a normal Ghana weaving. This is the type that we drop one part and weave the other one. Relax and watch what I'm doing. You see how I'm dropping it? You have to be observant because at times you might actually forget to drop. Now we move to the other side to do the Ghana weaving, the drop-in Ghana weaving, I'll call it. That being done, what we do next is to connect the two Ghana weaving with each other with Didi Ijebu. So you pick one strand from this side, the ones you dropped, you pick one strand from one side and crisscross with the other one on the other side, as you can see on the screen. I'm actually doing this slowly so you can get the pattern the way I am doing it. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share our video, and also put on the notification bell. So after you are done, if you want to extend the braids, you can add to the tip. This is it. You see how beautiful it looks? Thank you so much for stopping by. See you at our next class.